Excuse me? Did you say you want to put your hands in my hair? You better not put your hands in my hair. But tell you what, come closer. If you want to see how I achieve the style, keep on watching. Hello Chronicle Gangs, welcome to another one of my videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this beautiful and amazing jumbo box braid. So the hairstyle took me about 3 hours and I ended up using 3 packs of pre-stretched hair. So if you want to see the techniques that I use and how I achieve the style, continue watching. Hey Chronicle Gangs, welcome to another one of my videos, and the products I'll be using today are my Shining Jam, my rat tail comb, my banana clips, a pair of scissors, and my free tress pre-stretch hair. Also, I'll be using some rubber bands and cocoa butter moisturizing hair oil. So guys, you gotta make sure that the rubber bands are properly moisturized, especially if you plan on doing a long-term protective hairstyle. You don't want any breakage. So next I'm going to apply some Shining Jam to the back of my hair, and then I'm going to use the rat tail comb to make a part. Next I'm going to put up the rest of my hair into one, and then I'm going to apply some more Shining Jam to the part to make sure that it is as neat as possible. So for each of the section, I made sure that I applied the Shining Jam to the base of the hair to make sure that the parts were as clean as I could possibly get them. Then I apply the rubber band. Also, make sure that you're detangling your hair while you're doing this. Okay, so right here I was watching this show on Netflix. It's called Bridgerton. Guys, you gotta check it out. Very steamy. Definitely not for kids. Okay, so now I'm trying to make sure that I'm getting the sizing of the parts the way that I want it to, and applying the Shining Jam to the base of the hair as usual to make sure that the parts are as clean as I could possibly get them. So now that we're finished applying the rubber bands, I'm going to moisturize each of my strands by applying the TGIN leave-in moisturizer along with the cocoa butter moisturizing hair oil. So now it's time to apply the braids, and the way I do mine is by making sure that the braiding hair is placed in the middle of my natural hair. I'm going to split my natural hair into half and make sure that I lay the braiding hair right in the middle and enclose it with my natural hair by applying the rubber bands. So after you apply the rubber bands, if you want it to be a little bit tighter, all you have to do is split your natural hair into half and pull it so that it will be tightened. So we're going to start with the braiding, and the way I do mine is by taking about a third of the braiding hair from both sections, making it into a 3-strand and applying my natural hair to the middle strand and start a regular 3-strand braid. So this is the final braid, and I'm going to show you in details how I apply the braiding here. So I split my natural hair into half. Make sure that the braiding hair is even up. I'm going to lay it right in the middle. Next, I'm going to enclose the braiding hair with my natural hair by pulling it up and applying the rubber band. You can do a twist if you want it to be a little bit tighter at the roots. Or if not, after you apply the rubber band, you could just split your natural hair into half and pull it. Okay, so after that, I'm going to pull both of the strand of the natural hair down, and I'm going to take about 1/3 of hair from each of the 2 strands, make it into a 3-strand. Then I'm going to apply my natural hair to the middle strand of the braiding hair, and then I'm going to do a regular 3-strand plait. And that's all to it, guys. Very easy. So next it's time to apply the hot water to the braiding hair, and you have to make very sure that you don't burn yourself, guys. Be very careful. If you can't do it by yourself, get somebody to help you. So I made sure I had 2 towels. One I laid on my back and the other I'm going to use to dry my hair. Alright, so I'm going to do each strand of hair individually just to make sure that I am being careful not to burn myself. So after I'm finishing applying the hot water, I'm going to take some shining jam and apply it to my edges. I'm also going to use some Pump It Up styling spray to make sure that they stay in place. And next I'm going to apply some mousse to the braiding hair to make sure that there's no flyaways and that everything is laid down. So the next thing I do is to apply a scarf. I'm gonna tie my hair down to make sure that everything is gonna be set. So guys, thank you for stopping by, and remember, if you like the video, give your girl a thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscription button, turn on your bell notifications so you will be notified whenever I upload new videos.